Welcome back. Okay, here we go. I've reached my destination and I'm going to now unbox my Shadow, my JD20. 16 days it took. I looked it up, 16 days to get here from Singapore. Which isn't too bad, I suppose. I'm still waiting on a couple more which are taking longer, but so this is the little JJRC Shadow. It's a bit smaller than what I thought it would be. Just put out the E-chine here that I'm sure you are all well familiar with, just so we can do a bit of a comparo with size. Okay, rightio, let's check it out. And we'll cut into this bad boy. I'd rattle off the specs of this, but tell you the truth folks, I can't remember. Yes, it has foldable arms. It has G sensor control, handy. Wi-Fi connection, high def camera, 360-degree flips, so all your standard bits and bobs. It even shows you a picture here, what it looks like unfolded and folded. Don't you just love China? Okay, let's crack this baby open and see what's going on inside. I'll tell you one thing that's going on, it's not coming out, that's for sure. Packaged up pretty well, wasn't damaged in transit. There we go, only able to be opened one way. Interesting. And there you have it. What do we got here then? Instruction manuals. The Shadow. Packable, foldable mini drone. Oh, look at that. That's cool. Air Master Shooter. How to play. Look up that yourself guys if you want. So we got our standard manual here. Pretty sure there's an app we need to download, which I'll show you guys shortly. JJRC drones. It's probably the same as my other JJRC apps. If you guys can see that, freeze your video if you want to have a quick squiz of that. Just tells you the bits and bobs of this unit. Or I'll just hold it really still for a couple of seconds. Pre-flight preparation, very important. Make sure your dog is inside. No. Indoor, spacious spaces. Away from barriers, crowds or pets are preferred. Outdoor, sunny, windless and breezy weathers are preferred. Breezy. If there's anything like this baby here, I wouldn't be flying in the breeze because it's hopeless. Alright, anyway, let's keep going. What have we got in here? Standard spares, I would assume. So we've got our USB chargy pluggy thingy majigamy. We have a strap to carry thingies with, and we have 4 spare props. It'd be good if we had 16. But, okay, so there's nothing in there at all. And here's our little case. That's pretty cool. Look at that. And I would suggest that's where this thing here goes. So I can do it really quickly so that you guys don't go, how come you're doing that now? Because it's really boring watching you thread that through. Okay. So stick that on there. Right. Here we go. So look, you can carry it around and if you want, or put it in your pocket or whatever. So let's unzip it already. I'm hearing you. Unzip the damn thing. Crikey. Oh, look at that. Little soft case it's in. Little foamy rubber. That's quite neat. Let's see if I can pull that out of there without wrecking it. Is it glued in? No. Little foamy thingy. Pretty cool. Obviously, those dots are for the legs. Just sits in there like so. Which leads me to my next question, which everybody's asking, I'm sure. If it has a Sorry, it was my 5 minutes up. Looking on the controller, you can actually control it with a gyro. I'm pretty sure it came with a gyro, however, it said gyro controlled. Where did I see that? Oh, I saw it somewhere. Where was that? G sensor control. Ah, yeah, sorry. Not included. Awesome. Well, I'm going to grab a G sensor from my other drone and I'm going to see if it fits. Stand by. Welcome back. So, I've got my H47 drone here with my G controller. So what we're going to do is we are going to see, let's get ourselves tidied up here a bit. We're going to see if I can use this controller on this drone. That would be handy. So I've just unboxed it, so let's open it up. That's a cool little thing, isn't it? Little rubber legs on it. Little props, pretty sturdy. Actually a bit of weight behind this unit, probably because it's quite small compared to its big JJRC brother. Bit of size difference there. Now let's see if we come with our batteries charged. So there's a little camera out the front there. Don't think that it's just fixed, it doesn't do anything. Foldable arms, nice little rubber bottom there. Props held in by screws. That's your power point for charging. No SD card. Camera, not sure if there's a light anywhere. And your on-off switch, so let's flick him on and off. Yes, we have some charge, that's a good sign. So what I want to see is, can I use my JJRC remote with this? Let's have a look. Not sure. But I think we can. I might turn the remote, turn this on first, and then I'll turn this one on. See if they pair up. No folks, I think we have a no bingo. So there you have it. Even though it says not included, unless I'm doing something wrong, a standard motion controller does not control your JJRC. You must do it from the app, which I can't do at the moment because my phone's recording this video. So what I'm going to see is quick look through the manual in case there's something I haven't done. Hit the pause. Just read the manual, and even on the box it says G sensor control not included. And you hook up a G sensor controller and nothing happens because you can't fly with a G sensor controller basically, folks. So don't be fooled into thinking that you can get one of these and then fly it, which will be good because myself, I hate flying with the phone app. It's a bit cumbersome and hopeless. So shortly I'm going to hook up the GoPro and take this baby for a fly. So stay tuned for that one. Sorry, I'm going to say goodbye for now, and yeah, see you next video. Thanks for watching. I hope you got something from this. It's a JJRC Shadow. Looks pretty cool. Looking forward to having a fly. Alright folks, bye for now.